In this video we are going to see some tips that make our work faster. That cube is really far. No problem. Just F. I don't like zoom with my mouse scroller. It's okay. Just use Alt and mouse right button and drag. I don't have enough time to switch between these tools. Okay, just use Q, W, E, R, T, Y. I want to create a lot of cube, but it takes a lot of time. I don't think so. You can just do it with Ctrl D. I want to stick these two cubes together. It's okay, just use V and then stick them. I don't have enough time to make it full screen in this way. Okay, just use Shift and Space. I want to do some stuff in Inspector on this object, and I want to move this object too. Okay, just lock it and do what you want. I don't want to create empty game object in this way. Okay, just use Ctrl Shift N. Did you know that you can switch between 2D and 3D? You can also look from X-axis, Y-axis, or Z-axis. And you can also switch between perspective or orthographic. You can change the parameters like this. I want to group all of these cubes, but not in the dumb way. Okay, Ctrl Shift G. I did a lot of configuration on this object, but I was in a run mode. Okay, no problem. Just copy this component and then paste the component. I want to see the mesh of these cubes. It's really easy. Just click on it. I want my camera to have the same view as I see in the scene window. Okay, it's easy. Just press on your camera and Ctrl Shift F. I'm moving really slow. I want to be faster. Okay, it's easy. Just use Shift. If you don't know that you can move with WASD button in Unity, now you know. You can increase or decrease your speed with the mouse scroller. I changed this cube transform a lot, and I don't have enough time to reset all of these parameters. Okay, just reset it. You can move this sphere without a single line of code, just with this component. You can make this just with this component. I want this sphere to rotate around my capsule. It's really easy. Just put it here, rotate the capsule.